So the other day I did a video on releasing expectation, and I got people asking me how. They were like, I watched your video and I know that you said you had to train and all this, but how? So I have I have to put it into perspective as if releasing expectation, let's say it's like releasing weight. Okay? You want to do it, you want to release the weight, but you don't have a regimen. So I said to train, your emotions, train basically how you interact with people, things like that. But I didn't give you the key ingredient for the success of releasing expectations. Okay. It's super simple. And when I tell you this, everything in life is simple. We just complicate things. So when I tell you how to release your expectations, you're going to be like, a duh. Okay? So, you ready? Here you go. The key to releasing expectation is to change your expectation and replace it with appreciation. What? Yes, that's it. All you have to do is take out expectation, because this expectation is how you get your feelings hurt. Expectation is what make you stressed out. Expectation is what's going to make you see the wrong in everything. This person might be doing everything right, but you're going to be like, nah, this too good to be true. And then you go to sabotaging and all this other stuff because you expected them to treat you like your ex. You expected them to use you. You expected them to treat you less than you were. This is all expectation. This is all brought on by yourself. This is a whole mental game that you play with yourself. So let's let go of all that. Instead, let's let go, eliminate, bring to a minimum your desire of expectation, and we're going to replace it with appreciation. Now, what do you mean by that, Cheryl? Okay, I'll tell you what I mean. So remember I was telling you about, going on a date or meeting a guy for the first time, whatever, and you play this whole scenario out in your brain on how y'all gonna be together and what y'all family gonna look like and if y'all gonna have kids together. You play out this whole scenario and you basically on your first date, okay? Those are expectations. Instead, appreciate the moment and the time you have with that person right there in the present moment. Listen to what they're saying. Really listen to what they're saying, because what they're saying is the key to if this person really needs to be in your life at that moment. People tend to get carried away in their conversation, talking about themselves, things of that nature, and you're like, wait, what? Listen to their lingo, listen to how they talk, listen to their past experience, listen to if they blame everything on their ex as if they had no accountability. Like, you have to listen to certain things when people are talking, because if you don't, then you get blindsided by the looks, you get blindsided by the body, you get blindsided by the charm, and then next thing you know, here it is 7 years later and you still with this person you shouldn't even went on a second date with. Oh, okay, because I thought I said something, because I did. Because we get caught up, and life is entirely too short. It's entirely too short, so we have to start to listen to what people are telling us, because they tell us the story. They show us the red flags, if there are any. They're telling us. But what we're hearing is what we want to hear. And I don't know when society has become so selfish that everything is just about me, when it should be about you or us in particular situations. Not every situation, because you got to know how to decipher between times to be selfish and times to not be selfish. If somebody is, like I said, you're on a date, you're trying to learn something about this person, they're telling, you their story, but you're trying to translate it into how you can fix this person and how you can make this person fit into your life and all this stuff like that. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that because it's a whole lot of people on earth. It's a whole lot of people on earth. And you don't have to just stick with this one person because you feel as if they fit the criteria right then and there. Did you take out the time to figure out who you are, what you actually like, what you can take and what you can't take, and what's a deal breaker and what's a non-negotiable and what's a negotiable? Like, did you take the time to figure out all that stuff? Like, did you? Like, for real? Because if you did, then as soon as this person starts talking, it's going to be, oh, check that boss, he good. Check that boss, he good. Oh, no, ex. Oh, he called what? Nope. Oh, he called girls bitches? You see what I'm saying? Listen, I don't want want you to think that you're the exception, okay? Now, people do change. People change. I get it. I don't want you to think you're the exception, though. I don't want you to think that this person is going to change for you. They have to change for themselves. Okay? And they're like, oh, a great woman will make a man change. Woo, woo, woo. No, a great woman will make a man realize who he is. And if he doesn't like what he sees, then he will change to keep this woman or to accommodate this woman, or you know what I mean? Like, that is the reason why people change when they're in relationships. It's not because of that person. Like, even if the person give them an ultimatum, like, you need to do this or I'm out, that ultimatum triggers something. Do I really want to be without this woman? I'm not saying use ultimatums. I'm just saying what they do. Do I really want to be with this woman? Is she really that valuable? Should I change what I'm doing? What I'm doing, I know it's wrong, but if it's a but, then it ain't changing. Because they're trying to justify the reason why I'm going there. Okay, never mind. Let's get back on track. I need to start writing notes because, baby, I give y'all a whole course in a little video. So, okay, what I was saying. Oh, so anyways, I'm wearing her later. Don't judge, okay? So, back to expectation and appreciations. Yes, so you have to appreciate this person in the moment that they're there, that present moment. You have to listen for the indicators of if this person should be in your life or not. Do you put them in the friend zone? Do you continue on with more dates? Do you cut the date short? Like, you have to start being proactive in your dating life. You cannot go with the flow. Like, we're not going with the flow anymore. Like this bob. See how this bob is flowing? We're not doing that. Not in 2021. We ain't going with the flow. We're being intentional with our time. We're being intentional with our emotions. We're being intentional with our purpose. We're being intentional with our relationships. We're being 100% intentional. Okay? Can we do that? I know we can. So let's wrap this whole video up. Let's replace our expectation with appreciation. Let's learn to start appreciating the person in that present moment. Let's learn to listen. Okay, let's learn to listen to what they're saying. Let's learn to decipher if that person should be in our life or not. Let's get all this stuff together. Let's get it all together. Because, baby, time ain't waiting on nobody. Honey, yes, I was 19 yesterday. I'm 40 now. 40, shorty. Ooh. So, time ain't waiting on nobody. Nobody. And I don't want you to waste your time thinking that you're going to change this person and you're going to do this and you're going to do that. Listen, baby, if they want to change, they're going to change with or without you. And that's on period. They're going to change with or without you. If you're in their life or not, like, it doesn't matter. If they're going to change, let them change. Then come see you. Don't do it to yourself. Please don't. Okay? So, boom. End the video. Love y'all. See y'all. Y'all need to subscribe to my YouTube. And y'all need to share these videos because a lot of people need to hear this stuff. They really do. Okay?